Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy crityreact, and this video you're about to watch is a very hilarious one. It consists of a lot of funny comedians. Just stay tuned, and without further ado, watch this comedy, subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon to assist this channel. Alright guys, let's go.
2 hours later.
This Tony Atom.
Hi girl, what's up? I like you. What next?
Can I
have your number?
Account number.
0022.
Idiot.
But when you get to account on, you know how to call your account. But while he was asking you your number, you know answer.
Who be that man?
Man.
Officer. Yeah, Aboki. Everywhere good. Why they knock my door in here now? The paper will they give you from station, you know, acknowledge them. Why? And so what? For another paper. One big paper. One answer.
You can enter person house or can go back.
And they carry they enter your ass.
Because you be police. Better if you.
So you don't recognize.
Don't even dare. Don't even try to provoke anything.
Man, not your mouth.
You know you also.
You follow me stress body again, eh? Come show me your fast.
And he said it's very big. I'm coming, guys. He said it's very big.
God have
very
mercy
big
upon
head.
Wait,
Very big head.
you enter boys territory, you come make arrest. I'm about to ram. They invite her for station, not gree come.
What a big lie.
I can't arrest you. Only go to say
You will collect. Never see anything.
See, they wash on the plate before you come home.
get out, my friend.
SK in hot pepper or someone should come and help him.
Oh, you get my go. Say you no arrest. No handcuff. I don't let the carry handcuff.
You are going to arrest someone and you go in and you get a load.
You know this are the carry handcuff. They ask the police officer before.
It's a G. Don't bow go be money so bow.
Wait, I can't believe my eyes. Is this SK actually sweeping?
Sorry.
He has seen what is bigger than him.
Already go away also that. This man.
They want to make mouth.
I don't think anything. I just look at me. I don't look at me, but I don't look at me bad. I just now.
SK has seen Shaggy.
You near this place again. Go.
His eyes are seeing what his mouth cannot even tell.
I'm gonna meet you now. I'm not worried.
Kata is the bike man. This one's gonna be hilarious, guys.
Madam, where you go?
I go punch you for that statement. Is that why you want to jam me? You don't have
We
to
jam.
Madam, calm down. Now my Rolls Royce you dey call Okada. If no one go talk, oh.
It's only a mad person that will follow you.
Jesus. Madam, your ride don't reach you.
Hey, sir, please, I need to get to the airport in less than 30 minutes. I'm very late.
Madam, I just check my app now to reach airport now like 2 days journey.
Jesus!
Madam, I did here. And the only way we feel reach there in less than 20 minutes. Now we talk Okada.
Kata, his mind is actually sweet.
Idiot, and you dey form before your money now 2.5 million.
Run.
Now Bitcoin that they collect, oh, I want trade am with Jira based on they're very fast and reliable.
I'd rather die than to pay 2.5 million naira to enter inside.
Are you sure?
Madam, name be the only bike man wey dey this area. Oga tell am oh.
And she's actually into
Madam,
the
they
bike.
no be only you are the carry.
For 2.5 million.
You dey go abi you no dey go.
She go. Like, you're actually sitting like this for 2.5 million. I mean, I will not agree. I can never be me.
Agree to bros. No be. Let me tell you the back so. Yes, you. No, nah, yes. Where the snow? You were down with the snow. Yes, I agree to you, bros. I was a cricket.
Okay.
And me was having sibling say get the way.
Okay, sir. You be like everywhere good though.
Yeah, everywhere good. Yeah. Wait.
You wipe at the speed though.
Wipe at the spit. Fall out.
Officer, calm down now. I dey come out. I just want to go relax.
You want to go to the NL?
Officer, which one be NL again?
No man, nightlife now.
Yes, sir.
Oga,
Eh?
you get pet oh.
You get pet?
Officer, this one a normal palo dog now.
Hello dog, no, me and the girl should prepare this.
You name na killer. If let's say like yourself, he rush
Like
you.
me, we dey kill people.
I say like you.
No, you know, guy, I want to like
He like you.
No.
He just kill one bodyguard for there just now.
Officer Cricket!
But he like you. He like you.
Can I go office, oh?
He like you.
Can I go
He
office?
like you.
No, yeah. 247 must actually land himself in one of them.
Just no, don't do that. Don't do that. Just roll down this bag line. Alright, go. We love you.
What do you mean by that?
We love you too.
Police.
Thank you.
Telling passerby, telling.
Officer.
How are you? Fine, sir. Good day, sir.
Welcome. Officer, I'm looking for number 28 Igbinedion Street. What are you going there for? That place is a very dangerous place. Hey, officer, I want to deliver goose. Goose? Can you imagine? What kind of goose? Officer, like go. No shout down, no loud down. Okay. I mean, it's all right. You know, I can drop you there. Yes. Sharp. At least for your safety, I can drop you there.
Now, for your safety.
Sir.
We will drop you there for your safety, honestly. We're not going to lie. We will drop you as you say. Don't worry.
Okay, no, now I know say make you enter, and I me dey front. Not be me one show room. Okay, OC, don't worry. Let him be. Nah, work for you.
The way is too short.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up. So you get my tell police officer. Say you
I can't laugh alone.
No worry. Now number 28 said now you go sleep today. Oswald.
Did I call you to come?
God, this comedy is eating me, man. It's eating me. The comedy is eating me, guys. Let's see this one from Aboki.
Hello. Mama, come. Give me some fish. This big one, you put 4 fishes. This small one, you gonna put 3 fishes. Mama, you gonna do it California style. You know, Californian guy.
California side.
So now, Mama, do you accept dollar?
Yes.
You accept dollar?
Yes, I just said $1.
Now take $1, give me change.
This one, you know, rich oh. Now $100.
You say what?
Dollar don't go up.
Even fish seller don't know dollar.
$100 for fish?
Yes.
This fish $100?
Yes.
Fish seller can even tell amount of dollar. It's getting out of
Mama,
pound.
don't worry. I wanna come back.
Run, no.
I'll come back.
Come back. Don't run. The fisherman. You have seen a rugged fish woman.
Yeah, Mama, I'll come back.
That's a rugged fish woman.
But we can manage our hunger.
Just a play.
They play my fans.
What happened? What are you doing?
Allah.
What do you mean by that? I came to do test now.
You came to the hospital to do test.
I don't understand. Where would I have gone to?
Why didn't you wait now? I would have taken you to my grandmother's hospital.
Your grandmom has an hospital.
Yes now. But
God forbid. Your grandmother hospital. I will not go there.
This is the hospital bill.
And you want to take me to your grandmother's hospital?
25,000 naira. They admit you.
Look, this is my health you are talking about. If you don't pay this bill, forget about this relationship. I'm done. If I ever need
Chicken, now we are done. This guy is very, very stingy. Just surprise and pay the money. Pay the money now. Pay it and let them be ashamed.
Cool Prince. I'm your big fan. I watch your videos a lot. What are you doing here? How police were?
Well, it's nothing much. I just want to pay for her hospital bill.
Oh, okay. Can I make the payment for you instead?
Pio?
I am fire. I am light.
This guy is crazy. I don't know why this guy keeps following him. This one will off you guys. Very hilarious. Just go back to popcorn.
Babe, I'm leaving.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, you better concentrate.
Babe, you forgot your charger.
Babe. Baby. Baby.
It's even night.
Baby, you forget your charger. Ah, God save you. Have fun.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Where are the girls? Where are the panthers? Now them boys put this car.
Yes, now.
But you know that I don't keep female friends.
She ain't go with.
These are my panthers.
Which panther?
My black panthers.
Black Panther, Wakanda.
With this on my Igbo. This one in a black panther. Be one of your black.
I can't hold myself. I want to hold my
I got my eyes on you.
You're embarrassing me now.
Embarrassing you. This thing is looking like one scene that I have watched in one blue film like that. I have forgotten the title.
Seriously?
Scene in
For
blue
years, you can't
film.
do something like that. You're running late. Let's go. We're late for the
Your phone must always be on 24/7.
Yes, sir.
My battery is already
Your battery is already low. Take power bank.
Yeah.
Charge your phone.
Okay.
Good.
Let's go.
The guy is actually scared.
Hello, you don't reach there.
Hey! But we're still here now.
Oh, okay, no verse. Hello?
I've never seen this guy.
Baby. Are you having fun?
People are having fun. I'm not having fun.
I've never seen no.
You are having fun with me, don't worry.
We still.
What are they doing now?
You will not kill me.
Puff, puff, pass.
Eh?
Puff, puff, pass.
Puff, pass. Ah, don't pop it, oh, don't pop it. Pass it. Good girl. Pass it. How much are you?
And he hates that
What are you doing
one.
beside that guy?
He hates it.
Shift away. Shift. Better. Fine girl. Don't shift to anybody, oh. What are they doing now?
I'm about to play a game.
I believe we are all adults here.
Adult girl. Tell them you are not adult. Oh.
I can't get you. I can't get you.
You are not
They want to
adult.
collect our phone.
Hello?
They are collecting our phone.
Baby, hello. Tèmi bá mi. Hello.
I hope it is not what I'm thinking. And this Omo Igbo.
Say Babo.
We still really don't like that Omo Igbo.
Black Panther. Tèmi bá mi.
You have to go there by yourself and sit it by yourself.
Lekki. Which side for Lekki? All the service apartments.
I've already started with your own girlfriend. We go help her in Jesus' name wherever she is. Amen. Barrister Title.
Now. I'm hungry. Oh.
This time around, Barrister Title is a delivery man. I hope it's going to come out cool, man.
Marie Gloria, anti-monopolo
Hello.
geography.
Hello, sir.
Sorry, what do you talk? I know
Yes, I'm here. Yes.
When it's
You are here already.
lawyer, charge and bail, and still lawyer. Anti-monopolo geography. I did nod my head, but I know ya. Barrister, no they go court. In the waka they hook club.
Good afternoon, sir. You are the person they said I should deliver to Abi.
Yes.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Young man, come. What's this?
Ain't you forgetting
What
something?
nonsense is this?
What's going on here?
What's the meaning of this?
I don't understand. What do you mean? What's the meaning of this?
So they give you food to deliver to somebody and you get mine, eat the food.
Okay, I will take a lot of things from you, but insult is what I will never accept. What are you trying to insinuate? That
How can you say grown-up man
All
eat
this dispatch
like
rider, I
this?
don't hear on a story now, so that they eat people food when they
You
send
eat
me
your
message.
food?
Okay, look at me. I'm not a hungry person.
impossible.
Food is not my problem. Before I left house this morning, my wife cooked 16 bags of rice and 7 cows. What are you trying to
Tell
do?
them.
Food is not an issue for me. Money is not a problem for me. The fact that I'm doing the job does not mean I don't have money. I have 27 houses in this city. I just sent like 7 back to my village. I have a lot of money. I'm just doing this as a side gig and a hustle. Don't come and insult me.
Tell
That was how
him.
the food
How
was
can you look
when
down
they
on
gave
the
me to deliver
barrister?
it to you. What do you mean? I ate your food.
My girlfriend office send this kind of food, can't give me. I know the kind of girlfriend I get. What nonsense is this?
Okay, no matter the situation of this country, I will never ever interfere with your food. We have a very strict company policy. We don't interfere with our customers.
And the end shall
Deliver it
fail.
the exact way it was. Maybe the reason why it's like that is because Nigeria has pass bad road. So maybe all the gallops I was passing might have, disintegrated and shaking the food up a little bit. Maybe
You are the one that
made
is
it look like that.
For this lie, you are the
gallop
one.
where this country be like say go tear chicken, tear bone. So where the pieces of the other part of the chicken, where the other parts they do now?
The gallop is massive.
I did not touch your food. This is how the food was when they give it to me to deliver it to you. I will never touch your food. Please don't insult.
How can a barrister like this touch your food?
As you say, not be it.
Well, let's see what the girlfriend will say this time. Let's see.
Baby, are you okay?
I'm okay, baby.
Did you receive the food I sent to the dispatch to deliver to you?
Yeah, so I received the food though. Even me and the dispatcher, I said they argue since.
Maybe hope you've not eaten the food.
No, not eat them.
Baby, I'm so sorry. Because my friend told me you were cheating on me. So I had to poison the food. Jesus!
What did I just
Just
hear?
called me and told me it was a prank. Hope you've not eaten the food.
No. I didn't eat it. Nobody eat the food.
Madam, it's a pity. Please excuse me. I heard you talking about poison. Please, which of the food did you poison?
It's the one I gave you to deliver.
You poisoned the food you gave to me to deliver to him. Why now? Why will you do something like that? Why?
Why are you worried now? Not be you to say no, you know eat the food. So nobody go die now.
Let's have it. It's like I ate a little bit of it by mistake.
Maybe the gallop was scatter the food. So wait.
It was a mistake, just small. Madam, please, what you added inside, is it enough to finish somebody?
If you've eaten the food, there's no remedy, there's no cure, it is finished.
This evening you will.
Oh, I pity for him. I pity for him, but next time, don't eat people's food. Stop eating people's food when they send you to deliver to them. Stop eating it. It will cost you.
I did.
You did be shopping,
I don't too wear these clothes.
Not true.
I want change
changes.
them. So I want change
buy
them.
this one. You go well, Nice one. You don't check the price.
Yeah?
You don't check the price.
Where did they check them?
See now. That is 60 pounds.
Must you tell them that?
Yes.
Must you tell them that?
That's like 60,000.
You decrease. That's 120,000, bro.
120,000 naira.
Yes, man. If you convert them.
The clothes not even too fine like that. I just in a hype.
Baba, who not get money? You just say no too fine.
Don't worry.
You don't have money. Don't run. This one is John the Fraud. I think it's going to make sense.
Sorry, who are you? I don't know you.
I'm your name, I'm just moving.
Alright, no problem.
This comedy will teach you a lot. Oh, I watched this comedy and I felt so pity for this guy. It will teach you a lot of things that no matter what, not no matter 1 year. Let's watch.
Hey, so it's true. This is what you do behind my back. Okay, who is she?
No, babe, this is my neighbor now.
She's your neighbor. This is do not stammer it. And you're lying. Relationship is over. Don't you call me on the phone again. Jesus. That's for you. I go jam. If you say beep, Chineke won't go. Jesus. It's yours.
God have mercy.
Jesus, my brain one blow.
No too rushing.
No matter what, don't date bad girls. Don't date bad girls. You will see soup.
Jesus.
This can nearly kill me with poverty.
Women.
I'll never be broke in my life.
I'll never be broke in my life. That guy, gosh. Oh, no. He has seen a lot. No.
I'm not telling you, man, you wash motor for me. Who are you? Sir? Why you wash my car? Your car just well, so I see my tire movie. I send you make you wash my motor even if it's dirty. You never know what you jam. You don't buy market.
Poverty is a bastard. Okatifo, one pack pepe, pepero.
For what reason, Jesus Christ? Which kind of useless Lagos traffic with that one? They suffering to my own come up for us this morning. Just they come, another boy they climb, say one they wash motor for me.
Sherman, your boy there.
Exactly.
You never pay me for motor while I wash you.
You follow me reach my family house. I not like this thing like that. What you do?
Bros, get one.
I know you now. I give you a dirty slap.
You are telling him that you don't like what he did. You have already followed it to your house.
Egg though. Which one you want buy?
Crate.
Na 7.5 oh. 7.5.
Na egg of life.
Now who they alive then they chop egg. So now still egg of life.
See, just give me one crate.
You eh?
Hola, wait. This is a treasure.
I don't pick
How are you?
Chief, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Where do you see egg to buy? I've been looking for eggs this morning.
From this side, though, egg is very scarce now.
Are you serious? I've been looking for eggs this morning. I didn't see any egg.
Even me, I have to come out this way to come and get egg from this woman.
I don't understand though. Will you sell this one for me?
How will you tell me to sell this one for you? I said I just bought this egg and I want to use it. I'm just waiting here to see if I can get any ride or any bike.
Chief, don't worry, I have money. Chief, we are all cheap. Let's wait the call, Chief. Please,
sell
this one for me. Yes, I'll sell it for me.
But it's expensive.
Any amount I will pay.
Bring 10,000.
Chief! 10,000, you give me this egg.
From chief to chief. Escalate the call. Escalate the call.
Hey, Chief.
He wanted to collect his own game, you know, all those kind of things. I buy 75 and selling for 10k. I'm going to have a lot of money spare, like.
This is Geno.
But the end will make you laughing. Oh, let me not say it.
I just stand there and anybody that comes will buy for me. Yeah.
Oh, God.
Another one.
Give me another crate.
No, 15,000 naira for one crate.
15,000?
Yes, no.
Chief, now
extra 5k to add to it.
So I wish now 30 minutes ago for 20,000 naira.
Don't see him.
Now what you want to do? Comedian, you too funny.
See how they joke. One crate now 15,000 naira, Oga. Quick buy, Oga.
The title of this comedy should be called Game of Loss.
Now 10,000, 7,500 now.
Nobody even say 16.5 now. You buy a just.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Chief, are you sure everything is okay?
Oh my God!
Everything is not okay. Everything is not okay. No, I'll go find that man. I want to go find that man. Right.
Somebody help him, oh, help him. Just do the business of loss.
I'm a mumu. Who is doing me like
No, I feel pity for him. Guess, Lagos guess. Be careful of them, oh. Be careful of them. If you are a guy, be careful of them. I know you like them, but they are very dangerous.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
I don't dare my friends.
Hi.
Hello.
Please, I can't find my phone. Can I use your phone and make a call?
Of course, yeah.
A lot has went through our mind, like
identified as Amos Edos Osamudiame, belongs to a former gang of suspected kidnappers that have been terrorizing Benin City and environment.
Could have killed a lot of people.
A lot has
Me and my
gone
man's
through
phone.
his mind.
Use this phone instead. Ha! Oh, Billy.
Your phone is not even registered. Can I use your phone? Thank you. That's my number. Call me, okay?
Trust me, I will.
You are a prostitute. You gotta trust man.
Adam. Thank you guys for watching this comedy video, and I know you enjoyed this comedy video. You can't tell me that you did not enjoy this video. And please don't just watch and go. Kindly subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and also like and share this video to all your social media platforms. You know, you liking this video, you sharing it, you subscribing, you know, it's actually helping this channel to grow higher. Your help means a lot to me. So guys, what is your favorite moment in this comedy video? A lot of favorite moments I love. But before we dive into this favorite moment, let's congratulate Jadrolita, the AI Javis girl. Oh wow, this girl just hit 1 million followers on Instagram. You know it has not been long. She hit 1 million followers on TikTok, and right now she's celebrating 1 million followers on Instagram. So fast, so cool. She made them bring come limelight Pella brought her to limelight. Honestly, I think Pella played a very massive role bringing her to limelight. But she's having a huge audience on TikTok and Instagram either. And the Pella who brought her to light is only having 400k, 415k on TikTok. I mean on Instagram or TikTok if I'm not mistaken, something like that. Well, that is to tell you that grace differs. Grace differs. But I want to say big congratulations to Jadrolita. Jad is AI, and if you love her, if you want me to be showing her on my comedy, celebrate her and let me know in the comment box. So I really love what happened to this guy. I really love what happened to him. Aboki. Aboki is a very funny and comic actor. You know, he thought it would be like doing it as a form of business, buying eggs for 7.5 and selling them at the rate of 10,000 naira. Like, honestly, I don't mean it went well for him. It would have been a very great business, with a lot of profit. But at the end of the day, it went bad. Not knowing the actual price of egg at the moment he was selling it to that guy. I think that guy knew the amount because he just bought it 10,000 without even, pricing it anything like that. But the moment that sold it to him just collected the money and thinking that he has made it, he has hit the jackpot. And one day when he wanted to go and buy it, he knew that something was wrong. That comedy really I laughed him. And the other stupid guy that went to meet a policeman, telling a policeman that you want to deliver something in their hand. Are you normal? And you expect the policeman to drive you to the place? Come, I don't. This has never happened, and it will never happen unless that person has taken some part from that Igbo. Because if not, you could just meet policeman, they tell them all those kind of things, and you expect nothing to happen. I really love that comedy. Aboki, Brother Solo, I love their comedy, and also this guy's comedy is actually nice, and it must make you laugh. It must make you laugh. Correct Aboki comedy, they actually did well, and all of them actually did a very nice role. I love that comedy. So guys, let me see your favorite comment. Let me see your favorite comedian. Let me see your favorite female comedian in the comment box. Comment where you're watching from, and stay tuned for our next comedy. I call it a day. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy video. Have a wonderful time and peace out.